everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a very exciting video. I am having a giveaway, and this giveaway is just kind of a thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, whether you've been with me for a couple of years or you've been with me since yesterday. I do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. I love when you comment on my videos and like them, so I thought I'd kind of do a special one for Valentine's Day. And so this special giveaway is we have two winners, first and second. The first winner will receive a waffle flower 4.75 by 6 grip mat. The second winner will receive a Spellbinders stamp set, the 4 petals Sweet Day flower stamp set. You must be a visible subscriber, 18 or older, US, and you have to comment below and tell me what your favorite love song is. So I thought that would be kind of fun to read the comments since this is sort of like a Valentine-ish giveaway. So comment below what your favorite song is. And once again, the first place winner will receive this grip mat from Waffle Flower. And this has been all the rage recently. And then the second winner will receive this Spellbinders clear stamp set. It's called 4 Petals Sweet Day Flowers. Really sweet. 10 stamps included in this. So comment below and let me know what your favorite love song is. And then I'll announce the winner a week from today. And hopefully you all will join so we can read all the wonderful comments about the love song that you choose. Once again, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.